In this session, we will see Introduction to GIMP. Image editing generally consists of making smaller changes in the image that do not change the composition of the original image. It includes resizing, adjusting brightness, contrast. Contrast means color that make your object distinguishable. Or we can add filters. Image manipulation is an art of transforming an image. It involves making changes to the appearance of an image for the purpose like magazine, advertisement, book, etc. It also involves manipulation like removing red eyes or removing scars. We can also use the background of one image and combine it with some other objects from another image. Images are everywhere on computer, such as photos on web page, icons, and even fonts, which are a collection of images of characters. Images are displayed on a computer screen or any digital device as a bitmap. This consists of a rectangular arrangement of small squares called pixels, which are arranged in rows. Images are not like what we see on the computer screen. When we magnify an image, we can see the pixels. Every image has a resolution, which is measured in terms of number of pixels per inch. Higher the resolution, that is, more the number of pixels, better is the quality of the image. Increasing resolution also increases the file size. For colored images, pixels are represented by primary colors that are red, green, and blue in RGB mode. Each pixel is represented by 3 values, that is, the amount of red, green, and blue. Open an image in any photo editing software and zoom it to see the pixels. Images can be saved in different formats. The most common format are BMP, JPEG, GIF, and PNG. Whatever is the format, the image will be displayed as a bitmap on the computer screen. Most digital cameras by default shoot in JPEG format. Find out different softwares available for image manipulation. Out of these, which are open source? And do mention in the comment box the full form of BMP, JPEG, GIF, and PNG. GIMP stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program. It is a free and open source image editing software. Image editing may involve photo retouching, resizing, cropping, etc. GIMP can also be used as a simple paint program. The first version GIMP.54 was released in 1996. It was written by Peter Mattis and Spencer Kimball. Later, GIMP 1.0 was released in 1998. In 2012, GIMP 2.8 was released. And right now, we are using GIMP 2.10. GIMP uses only RGB and grayscale mode. A grayscale image is one in which the only colors are shades of grey. In next video, we will see how to start GIMP and what are various components of its window. Thank you.